guys, today we have Samsung J6 Plus charging port replaced. We got this phone with problem. When you put the charger on, the battery lid goes on and goes out, goes in and goes out. Let's fix this problem. Try first to clean the charging port using the clip and brush with alcohol to see if I can fix the problem without opening the device. Opening this device is very hard and the operation will take so long time, so we can first try to solve this problem without opening. To open this device we need to take out the screen first. Taking out the screen first could damage the screen, so it's better to do that. As you can see now, the battery label goes out, it goes in and then out and then in. Now we are going to remove the screen and start the operation. Take your time, there is no need to rush. You can heat your screen at 250 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds. Use the plastic card to push the screen. Remember, don't put the card between the LCD and the screen. You need to be exactly to put the plastic card under the screen and the LCD. Continue. I have speeded this up. The operation took for me about 20 minutes to finish, to remove the screen without any harm or damage. And you too, you should do this work. Maybe you took 30 minutes to open the screen without any damage. There is no need to rush and take your time. I'm going to meet you in a few minutes after I finish removing the screen. We are almost finished. Remove the clip and then remove the screen flex cable. Then we can remove the screen easily. Okay. Easy with the flex cable. There is adhesive. You can push it or just again heat it with heat gun so the adhesive can be soft, then the screen can be easily removed. Take out all screws from the board. The second thing, remove the SIM card slot. Remember, maybe there's 2 SIM card slots, remove them and then push the frame out from the border. Now remove the SIM card slot. Okay, we have 2 black screw. Remove them so the board can be easily removed. Put it in the holder, bring the new charging port. Then solder the charging port. Put now soldering paste. Now you can use both heat gun and soldering iron, so easily can remove the charging board, the old one. I'm sorry for the view, I didn't see that I'm in the way. There is nothing complicated is going on. You just need to heat it, remove it, and then put the new one. That's it. I stopped working because there's a hole connected to the microphone. The soldering paste could leak onto it and making a problem with the microphone, so I swipe it. You have to clean it if there's something happened to you. You can see it in the hole near the audio jack, the black one. There's a hole. Okay, now you can maybe remove it. You can remove it, push it with the soldering iron. Okay, now if all pins are looking good, you can put the new one immediately. There is no need to put or resoldering the pins, and that's it. Wait for it to go on the place. Make sure the pins are connected to the new charging port. After you see that's happened, you can then release all your work and assemble your device and test the charging. You can wait for 5 minutes or you can use this air blower. I just wanted to check the voltage of the charging voltage. Okay, it's 4.30. Okay, we are now good. We can now assemble the device. We fixed this device. The problem has been resolved, and that's it. Now you can assemble the device back the way I disassembled it, and that's it. If you have any questions, just write it in the comment. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya! like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.